The Digital Odyssey of Maya, transforming dreams into reality. In a world of endless possibilities, where the hum of technology echoed through bustling streets, lived a girl named Maya. Born into the embrace of humble circumstances, she nurtured dreams that shimmered like stars against the night sky. As the sun set on her modest home each evening, it cast a hopeful glow upon her aspirations, igniting a fire within her that would lead to a remarkable journey of transformation. A glimpse into Maya's world. Maya's life was a tapestry woven with threads of resilience and determination. Growing up in a neighborhood where opportunities were scarce, she clung to her dreams with unwavering faith. The vibrant glow of the screens at a local internet cafe caught her attention, offering a glimpse into an alternate reality. She recognized the internet's potential to reshape lives, and from that moment, her journey began. The spark of curiosity. In a room adorned with faded wallpaper, Maya's curiosity was piqued by an old computer donated by a generous neighbor. With the guidance of online tutorials, she delved into the world of coding, graphic design, and digital marketing. Nights blurred into dawn as she navigated the intricacies of each skill, driven by a hunger for knowledge and an innate understanding of the power the internet held. A family's resilience. Maya's family was a portrait of resilience. Her parents worked tirelessly to make ends meet, their love a constant anchor in the storm of life. Amidst financial hardships, they nurtured their daughter's dreams, recognizing the transformative potential of her unwavering determination. The dawn of freelancing. With newly acquired skills in her arsenal, Maya ventured into the world of freelancing. Online platforms became her marketplace, connecting her to clients across continents. With each project she undertook, she refined her craft, honing her abilities and proving her worth in the digital arena. The first paycheck she earned was not just a monetary transaction, it was a symbol of her emergence as a digital creator, a recognition of her talents by a world that once felt distant. A step towards a dream job. Maya's journey reached a pivotal crossroad when she stumbled upon a job posting that seemed tailor-made for her aspirations. A prominent tech company was searching for a remote digital marketing specialist, someone who could navigate the virtual landscape with finesse. The job description felt like a mirror reflecting her dreams back to her, and she knew she had to seize this opportunity. The interview process was a whirlwind of emotions. Her heart raced as she articulated her journey, her aspirations, and the profound impact the digital world had on her life. When the offer came, it was as if the stars had aligned, blessing her with the chance to enter a realm she had only dared to imagine. A glimpse into the virtual office. Maya's dream job opened the door to a world she'd glimpsed only through screens. The virtual office became her canvas, and the internet her paintbrush. Collaborating with a diverse team scattered across the globe, she embarked on projects that transcended geographical boundaries. Her ideas, fueled by the energy of the digital realm, found expression in campaigns that resonated with audiences worldwide. Her talents garnered recognition, and promotions followed suit. As her income grew, so did her ability to support her family and invest in her own dreams. A symphony of passion and purpose. Maya's journey wasn't just about financial success, it was about the harmonious convergence of passion and purpose. In her newfound prosperity, she realized the opportunity to fuse her skills with her passions. With a heart woven with threads of creativity, she launched an e-commerce store featuring handcrafted accessories, a venture that encapsulated her love for design and entrepreneurship. The digital footprints of change. Maya's e-commerce venture bloomed, attracting customers from far and wide. Her online community thrived, bonded by a shared love for unique accessories and a story of triumph over adversity. Her business not only thrived but also became a platform for social change, with a portion of profits dedicated to supporting underprivileged children's education. Empowering others with digital wings. As her own life transformed, Maya recognized the power of her journey to inspire others. She launched initiatives to equip underprivileged youth with digital literacy skills, offering workshops, mentorship programs, and access to online resources. In doing so, she bridged the gap between dreams and reality for countless others, just as the internet had done for her. A legacy of empowerment. Maya's story resonated with media outlets, turning her into a beacon of empowerment in the digital age. She was featured in interviews and documentaries, and her journey became a testament to the boundless potential of the internet. Yet, amidst the accolades and recognition, Maya remained rooted, a girl who had once stared at the glow of a computer screen with dreams in her heart. The true power of the internet. Maya's journey encapsulated the true power of the internet, a conduit through which dreams could evolve into reality. Her transformation from a girl with aspirations to a woman of impact was a testament to her unwavering determination, her unyielding spirit, and the limitless possibilities that lay within the virtual realm. In a world shaped by connectivity, Maya's odyssey underscored the digital landscape's ability to rewrite destinies and illuminate the path from humble beginnings to glorious heights. As she looked back on her journey, she understood that the internet wasn't merely a tool, it was the vessel through which she turned dreams into reality, sculpting a life that reflected her deepest desires and a legacy that would inspire generations to come.